Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install Brave browser in your Windows PC. Let's get started. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your Google Chrome browser or any other browser that you have, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can just search for download Brave browser. And after searching for that option, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Brave browser download, and after tapping on that it will take you to this website where you can download Brave browser. So just tap on get Brave for Windows, and by tapping on that your browser starts to install. Now what you can do is just tap on that installed file, and after setting your Brave browser up, you can see you have successfully downloaded and installed your Brave browser in your Windows device. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Brave browser in your Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.